Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Today I have got the Springtime Joy Tiny Treats class introduction for you. It's what's cooking in the kitchen table stamper this month. This class opens March 1st in the online classroom, and the registration for to-go packs needs to be made by February 18th. So we've got those important dates out. Let's show you what's in the class. This is our newest class in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom. You can get the class online or to go. Fun little hanger, little basket, like carrot pen, and a little notepad tag. And that's so cute. We've got a fun little Easter basket project here made with the delightful tag topper. Isn't that sweet? That's project number 2. Project number 3 is this little milk carton with the lollipop and a little double carrot tote. What's a bunny without a carrot, right? And then our giant sweet tart candy pack. I love these. Oh no, these are giant Smarties candy pack. So 5 projects. If you want to take it online, it's $20. It's online only. You'll get the videos, project sheets, shopping list, full color photos, template photos, everything you need to craft along with me these 5 projects using your own supplies. You can get that in the Kitchen Table Stamper store. Just buzz over to kitchentablestamper.com/shop and look for that product. Now, if you'd like to take the class with the kit, so a to-go class, that class is $50, and included in your class you'll get a packet with all of your treats, the supplies that you need to make the treats. We do your cutting and your scoring for you ahead of time. We do your punching, like a little oval, double oval punch here. We take care of that for you and set it all up. You get a packet for each item. You also get a full package of the Fine Art Floral Designer Series paper. We cut it down to 6x6 to keep shipping costs down, because in the $50, your USPS priority shipping is included. You'll also get a full spool of this gorgeous sheer pool party ribbon and a full package of these gorgeous opals. Look at how pretty those embellishments are. All right. I include the treats for each of the packages with the to-go class. While supplies last, I'll tell you that I have a limited number of these little Peeps lip glosses. Of course, you can put candy in this basket, but I have a limited number of the Peeps, and so the Peeps are while supplies last. Treats are included. It's $50. You have to email Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com and ask for that link, because there are full products in the class packet. So Stampin' Up will not allow me to put the link online. If you don't have the Springtime Joy stamp set, you can add that to your order. Your class to-go class would be $74, and you can add the stamp set right on. It's a 10-piece cling mount stamp set. That's our feature for this month. If you've got any questions about the class, you can email Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com or request the links using that email. And to shop Stampin' Up 24/7, you can buzz over to MarissaAlvarez.stampinup.net. And to purchase the online version of the class, go to KitchenTableStamper.com/shop. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope I'll see you in the online classroom.